So in Wisconsin, this is usually what winter looks like, except it's all melted, which is weird. But I have lots of indoor time because it's cold. So today we're going to make these. These are really, really cute. They can go over basically anything, cans, bowls, mason jars, whatnot. They're great for gift giving too, for those people that you want to give homemade jam or anything like that in a can or a bowl, but you want something cute to top it off to make it a little bit fun. And they can use it for bread baking, bread proofing, things like that as well. So it's just a really fun little quick gift. So just trace whatever bowl or jar that you want to cover. And then I just measured 2 inches around the circumference and cut that. And then put the pretty sides together and just pin it. And I'm just cleaning it up because this does not have to be perfect. I did not cut this great. And you just clean it up and then just do a little sew. Make sure you leave a little section open, about 1 inch for the small ones, maybe 2 inches for the bigger ones. And then I do have my walking foot on there. Not because you need it at all. You do not need a walking foot for this, but I am just lazy and didn't want to take it off. And I was making some puffy, like quilty type things. So I just left it on. So I'm turning it inside out through that little hole that we left. And I will go and press it. So here it is all nice and pressed. That hole is still open. And now we need a spot for the elastic to go through. So I am literally just a little bit farther from the inside, about a 1/2 inch-ish, depending on the width of your elastic. I'm just going all the way around. You don't have to leave a gap open. Just close it all the way around. And this little hole that you left open is what we're going to string the elastic through. So with this, I just kind of wrapped it around whatever bowl I used it for, or whatever thing I measured, you know what I mean? And I just stretched it a little bit, gave a little extra because I'm going to tie a knot. You can take it and do a zigzag stitch and zigzag the crap out of the edges if you want. But I find that a knot actually works pretty well, especially if you leave kind of a long tail. It's not going to come undone and you don't have to worry about changing your stitch length or anything. And it's just easy. And then you can take it out if it's not the right size. So I put it back on the jar, made sure that it was the right size, and then stuffed it in, kind of got it out of the way so that I could close up that little edge, and then you're done. And you can close up that edge by hand or by machine. I chose by machine. These literally take 15 minutes to make. And it's perfect for your sourdough starter also. So then I decided to get a little crazy and make one for my bowl. These friction pens, I love. They are amazing. I do not make money off of these at all, but I spend money on them because I buy them in every color and they really do work. They come off when you iron it. It's wonderful. They've never done me wrong. So I'm just doing, now I did 2 inches on this and I'll show you that I messed up because there's that lip on the edge and I wanted it to go over the lip and I did not factor that in to the measurement that I did because I just did 2 inches. And you'll see here in a minute, but it's okay. It worked out in the end. So I was a little OCD and I matched up the little stripes. You don't have to do that. But here's the friction pen. Look how amazing this is. Okay, ready? Whoa, it's like magic. Magic. It's gone. It's gone. I did notice on some fabrics, it does kind of discolor the fabric just a tish, but it also depends on if the fabric is washed, what's it made of, stuff like that. So I did the same thing. I used a little bit thicker elastic on the bowls just because I felt like it needed a little more stability. This is just elastic I had laying around. I think it's probably like a 1/4 inch elastic. I have no idea. Whatever that is, that's what I used. And unfortunately, because I didn't account for the stupid lip, it didn't fit the big bowl I was hoping it would fit. It fit my smaller bowl though, so everything's fine. But I was a little upset because I really loved that fabric and I didn't have enough to make a big one. So I made another one in some other very, very cute fabric that I did love. Look at the cute little foxes. Aren't they the cutest little thing in the world? Oh my gosh. And then if you want more of a ruffle, put some more. And this time I did add 1 inch so that it would fit my bigger bowl. So instead of 2 inch circumference around the bowl, I did 3 inches and that worked perfectly. But look at those cute little guys. Oh my God. So here is all that I made in different fabrics. They're so fun. They really do help proof your dough. You don't have to worry about finding a tea towel or whatnot. And then also for your sourdough starter, it's great to just put on the top so that way those gases can release while it's, eating the flour and all that fun stuff. But look at how fun it is. And then it also keeps dust out of your bowls when they're on the shelf. I hope you really enjoyed this project and I hope you make some, and thank you for watching. Bye.